Did you know that every spot in a number has a value? It's called place value, and we're going to get into it right now. So let's talk about place value and get an introduction to place value. I don't know if you know what that is, what place value is. Let's talk about that. Well, each spot in a number has a value. So let's say I take the number 11 here. I can use it to represent 11 volleyballs. I have 10 volleyballs right here and I have one more. And I know that 10 plus 1 equals 11. So I have 11 volleyballs. I can split this number in certain ways and make it represent certain values. So the 11, I can take the 1 and put it to the right. That would represent 1 volleyball. And I can take the 10 and take a group of 10 of them and put it over to the left. So I essentially have one group of 10 right here, and I have 1 right here. I can separate that and group that to represent the number 11, right? So let's look at this another way, a different way. Let's say I have 13 volleyballs. I have 1, then I have 2, and I had one more volleyball. I have 3 over on the right, and I have 10 on the left. So my 10 on the left is there, and then I put my 3 on the right. Essentially what I have one group of 10. That represents the tens place, and I have 3 ones over the right. That's what 13 is. So there's actually a tens place. This is the tens place. And this is the ones place. So I have 1 10 and I have 3 ones, and that represents 13. 10 plus 3 is 13. So if I look at this, let's say I had another number. Let's say I have 110 right here. I have 10 volleyballs on the left, and I have 5 on the right. So if I put 10 plus 5, I'm going to have 15. That means I have 110, right? And then I have 5 ones, and that's what the number 15. It literally is 110, one group of 10 plus 5 ones. That's what the number 15 is. So what if we had 2 groups of 10? Let's say I have two groups of 10 volleyballs. So I essentially have 20 volleyballs. So I have 2 10s when it comes to 20, and I have 0 ones. A number 20 like that is kind of special. You have 2 10s and 0 ones, no ones. That's the number 20. So when you think about that, each spot has a value. And when you think about it, understand that for even the numbers 11 through 19, know that 11 has 1 10 and 1 1, and 19 has 1 10 and 9 ones. Think about it like that. And even when you see a number like 20, note that that represents 2 10s and 0 ones. And a number like 90 represents 9 10s and 0 ones, right? There's no ones there. And then if you're a mom or dad looking at this, a parent, make sure your child is able to compare 2 numbers. For example, they know that 19 is less than 20. So that was just a quick understanding to help you understand that, and a quick overview to help you understand that every number has a place value and what place value is.